There ain't no bus coming anytime soon. 4 of them have already been cancelled. See, Dad, tonight, this is the reason why I'm going to be late home. You cannot, whatever. Just don't even say anything, because you're not even outside. You're not, like, you're not the one that has to put up with this. Been stood here for 20 minutes.
Freezing our arse.
No bus. I even left earlier than what I had to get here. No bus. No bus. Mind you, hopefully there should be one coming in at 27 past.
I was thinking, look, they keep getting out. Look, some van got stopped.
Do you need a hand?
It's going backwards.
Full. Oh. This bus is going nowhere fast. Got g.maN down there trying to... This is how fast we're going, at walking pace. What's that? It's a bright light in the distance. No, it's my phone. What?
Is it warm in there?
Yeah, it's warm in here. It's lovely and warm. How are you down there? Look, we've got some... There's a van stuck up ahead. No, mate, how you doing? How you doing? I don't need my glasses.
Some other car got stuck.
Hey?
You're going to be here for ages, some other car got stuck.
Oh shit. Another car's just got stuck. Been on a bus for a minute and 25 seconds now. The bus stop's literally just 5 seconds behind me. It's just... We've got people down there outpacing us on the bus. That is a piss take. Yeah, just cover yourself in snow, mate. I know, I can see. I can see that from my lovely warm bus. (12) at fucking midnight, and I finally got home. Snow's just gotten worse. Look. This guy's enjoying the weather just as much as I am. Freezing. Anyone watching this will probably be feeling pretty sorry for me right about now. anyone that was actually caught in this fucking blizzard actually know how it feels firsthand. The roads are empty. He's fucking taking his time down the street because he knows he's gonna fucking crash. There's an alarm going off somewhere. I think someone's busted into the pharmacy again. It wouldn't surprise me. How long have you been waiting for a bus?
Long time, man.
See?
It's just more than an hour time.
About an hour. You've been waiting for a bus for an hour.
The train's all delayed.
All the trains delayed. This guy's been waiting for a bus for an hour.
Yeah, where you gonna go?
Huh?
Where you gonna go? Where you heading to?
I'm going home.
Yeah, where about?
That way.
Oh, okay. Why you live around here?
Oh, yeah.
You're lucky, man.
Yeah, I am.
Bye to the camera.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.
So, our guy's been waiting for a bus for an hour. What a fucking thick the snow is. Shit. Yeah, mate. Phone. So we've got some people out here enjoying the weather, which is hard to find at 12:15 at night, but yeah. Right. Finally made it home. Everywhere looks dead. Can't even see the path into my fucking door. There you go. My hands are fucking freezing. I'm like the abominable snowman. Finally, front door. Something I'm on more familiar grounds with. And that was, there we go, the longest journey home.